Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can sync clips to music beats on CapCut. Okay, so just prepare the clips and then go to audio and then add the music or audio that you want. So for example, I want to add this one. Just click on the audio that you want, then click on the plus icon. Okay, so the audio will be added. Wait a second. And then to sync the clips to the music beats, you just need to click on the music and then find the beats option, and I'm going to just auto generate, so the beat will be added automatically like this. Then choose between the beat 1 or beat 2, click on a check icon, and here if you only have one clip like I do, you can just trim the clips align with the yellow dots on the music. So this is the beats of the music. Just split the clip align with that yellow dots. But if you have more than one clip, you can just trim the clip according to the dots. Oops, like so. And I think that's basically it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment if you have any question, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.